Williams, can you make me co-host again, please, sir?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we're streaming. Okay. Today is the date. I'm sorry, Madam Clerk. I need that case number one more time.
It's 190
190
440
440
5101.
5101.
Correct.
Okay. So Mr. Ross is charged one count of refusal for fingerprints. One second, I need to look this up. Okay, this is a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of 92 days, Wayne County Jail, or a fine up to $1,000. Mr. Ross, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'd ask the court to recall the warrant as well.
I'm sorry, the warrant is recalled. Should we set a pretrial date on this matter, or is there some sort of resolution?
No, a pretrial, Your Honor. My client doesn't even know where this ticket came from. We found this ticket doing a traffic check, so we need to talk with the state prosecutor.
Fair enough. Let's see here. When do you want to come back?
Can I have 2 weeks, Your Honor?
2 weeks. Excellent. Today is the 28th.
Judge, we're giving out March the 25th.
I'm sorry. So, Ms. Carson, I'm going to have to set this for March the 25th. That's the earliest date that we can do.
We appreciate that, Your Honor. We understand these times.
Okay. So we'll set this matter for a pretrial on March 25th, 2021. Madam Clerk, is there a particular time that she sets the pretrials on?
8:30.
It would be 8:30 a.m.
Thank you.
Set bond at 1,000 personal.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
You're welcome.
Mr. Ross, you can sign. Are we free to go, Your Honor?
Yes.
Mr. Ross, you can sign off now. You can leave the meeting, okay?
All right, thank you.
Ms. Carson, what's your P number?
57096.
57096. Thank you. Got it.
Thank you. All right.
Okay. Now, you said, Miss Ritter, that who's the attorney? Who just popped in? Okay.
Mr. Golston, Your Honor, we're going to give Roderick Golston May 4th.
All right. Should I bring him in?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
What is Judge Bryant's P number? Does anyone know?
4576. 45706.
Thank you. All right.
Judge, I'm going to go ahead and remove Mr. Golston, and I'll call him with his date.
Okay.
Thank you.
You know, I'm not sure if I see these motions on the docket. Are these for different dates?
All the way at the bottom, Judge.
All the way at the bottom.
Verbiage.
Okay. Rogers and Bush, or Verdi, I'm sorry.
That's it looks correct.
Okay. Are these both your clients?
Your Honor, it's Harold Gurwitz. I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Verdi.
Okay. State of Michigan versus Harpinder Verdi, case 19045-83601 and 19045-8360. Oh, it's the same case. 01. State of Michigan versus Harpinder Verdi. Today is the date set for a motion hearing and final pretrial. Charged as operating while intoxicated. Mr. Gurwitz, sir, could you put your appearance on?
Yes, Your Honor. Harold Gurwitz appearing on behalf of Harpinder Verdi.
Also, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people, P number 83505.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I should indicate also, well, I don't see it on my screen, that I believe that Mr. Verdi is appearing also remotely by video from the office of an attorney in Windsor, Ontario. His name is Michael Gordner.
Okay, so I'm put in Michael Gordner right now.
We're on.
Okay, Mr. Verdi.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your
How you
Honor.
doing, sir? My name is Judge Williams. I'm filling in for Judge Bryant today, and I'm here with Mr. Gurwitz, your attorney, sir.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, today is the day set for a motion and a final pretrial. And as you guys can see, I'm not the judge you've been dealing with. I'm a little, unless this is a matter that can be resolved quickly, it's probably going to wind up in just getting another date. So what do we get?
Well, Your Honor, Mr. Verdi last appeared before the court in October of last year when the judge set this date for us to come back. Since that time, I received discovery from the prosecution, and this motion followed. It's a motion for additional discovery. The brief background is that this all relates to an incident that occurred 2.5 years ago, on October 31st, 2018, when the state police responded to a dispatch to a car parked on the side of I-75 near 6 Mile Road in Detroit. I have received discovery and read that they responded to that location after there was a call made to the state police about a traffic crash by an individual identified in the report. There, however, is not discovery that indicates any investigation of a traffic crash or contact by the reporting officers with the victim who was identified by name. There's not any disclosure of any 911 call or a transcript of it or a summary of it in any kind. All those things I think are important to the circumstances of what the police found at 11:30 p.m. when they encountered Mr. Verdi for the first time on the side of the road. So I have asked in this motion for additional discovery, which is just basically additional police report or notes of investigation of this case, particularly of an alleged vehicle crash, witness contact with the reporting person driving the other vehicle, and all the notes of the officers and any notes, summaries, recordings, or any other evidence of a call made to the state police that the police responded to that evening. I've had one conversation, or perhaps two, I might have spoken with Ms. Ritter earlier this week about this. It was my understanding that she was attempting to find out if this was available. I haven't heard back. So I think this information is important to us in preparation to determine whether there are any other defenses or perhaps another issue, such as whether or not, because of the passage of time, a long period of time since this event, Mr. Verdi is prejudiced in some way in preparing his defenses in this case because we can't find witnesses or evidence. That's my motion.
Okay. Ms. Ritter, do you like to respond?
Yes, Judge. So I recently received the motion a couple days ago, and after reviewing it, I had discussion with Attorney Gerwitz about the additional discovery items listed in the motion. I've reached out to the OIC in this matter, Trooper Rowinski. I've emailed him to see if we can obtain those additional discovery items if they exist. And if they do, Mr. Gerwitz will receive those as soon as I receive them. I have not heard back from the officer in charge to this day about those additional discovery items. But once I do, I will keep in contact with Mr. Gerwitz and getting him those items if they exist.
Okay, then we should probably check back in a couple of weeks to see if you know where we're at on this. And on our next date, we should at least have some indication whether discovery was turned over or if it even exists at this point. So I'd like to adjourn this matter for a new date to give Ms. Ritter a chance to get in contact with her officer in charge. I don't want to go all the way to March. So I'm going to ask for, a continued motion date sometime in the middle of February. I don't want to pile up on Judge Bryant. Ms. Ritter, if you have a better date sometime in February for us, or I'd like to adjourn it to that date, or if if you're comfortable with, I was just inclined to put it on the 16th. If that made sense. February 16th.
Judge, I understand Judge Bryant has backed up docket, so we'll have to check with the clerk to see which day is good for Judge Bryant.
And if Madam Clerk, if you indicate that the 25th is the next date that that Judge Bryant is putting things on, then I won't fight that either. But I'd like to try to put this on a closer date for her.
What's the first date you said? Was it the 16th?
Yes.
That's a good date.
Okay, so we'll adjourn this matter to, I'm sorry, Mr. Gerwitz, is that date available for you?
It is. That's fine. I
Okay,
appreciate
so
it.
we'll set it for February 16th, 2021, 8:30. And hopefully we have a little bit more clarity or you have your discovery at that point.
I appreciate that very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Counsel, what's your P number?
Mine is 14445.
Thank you. 14445.
Right. Can I just check that, quickly, make sure? Yeah, it is 14468. I'm glad to.
Okay, we can put these back at 10:30. That's a good time.
Excuse me, did you say that the hearing will be at 10:30 on that day?
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
I would say 10:30.
10:30.
Huh?
10:30.
The judge said 8:30.
I think they changed it.
Sorry, one moment.
Excuse me.
February 16th, 10:30. Discovery. Discovery for Harold's discovery here. Judge stepped away from it.
I'm gonna go to another office for a minute with 11 calls.
Okay,
If they, if you need me, just come out there and Cheryl will come.
Sure.
Okay?
Sure. Sure.
And I can talk to you later.
Yeah.
After I talk to the. We're not back.
No.
We're gonna be on this call. Cheryl will come and get you if you need me.
Okay.
And then we could talk on the phone a little later.
Sure. You want me to just let myself out?
Yeah,
When
when
is
you're
it?
through the
Okay.
call, if you don't.
I think we're all done, but we just need to get the say-so from the judge.
Okay.
Okay, Harold, I just have to go out, take this call, so
Okay,
if you need to talk later, just give me a call.
okay, I will. Thank you very much.
But anyway, okay. Mondays. Jesus. So 2 weeks from today. Great. Next person is here. Some of these judges was just doing straight. Before they got to Bryant. So, it's the same I have. You just try. Dismiss. Discharge. Marcus. Is that what? Okay, so we just. the next page. So everybody from
Hello?
here, Nathan, Norm, Wood, and West Street. Okay, got that. 4. So preacher. So it's final pretrial May 5th, May 4th. All right, now.
Hello, is anybody there that I could speak to, please?
Okay, go ahead. Yes.
Yes, Mr. Gerowitz.
Am I still on the record concerning Mr. Verde, or can I leave?
I believe, Madam Prosecutor,
I believe the judge said to hold on a minute. I want to say, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Continue. Okay. Thomas Jones, 325. Jordan, 32. Turner. Skip. May 4th. No. So we just adjourned. The 3:20. That's us. Okay, 3-5. March 5th is a Friday. Double check. Yeah. March 5th. West Street is 325. That's a picture. That's 3-5. All right.
Sorry about that, everyone.
Yes.
Okay, did we determine if that date worked out?
The day is fine. I just had a question about the time.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The time is 10:30, right? Yeah, 10:30.
That's fine with me, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm sorry for holding you. I didn't know. I thought we resolved this matter. I apologize.
Okay.
So 10:30, February 16th. Continue motion.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, everybody.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
so there's, Madam Prosecutor, there's a few KPSs,
Oh,
and Madam Clerk can tell you who those KPSs should be.
My apologies for any interruption. I just got word that the court is closed immediately until the 2nd. Is that correct?
What?
I got an email about that.
What?
I didn't know it.
well, let's do an investigation work because they probably make us work until we finish, then say go home.
Nobody's in.
Yeah, I see it says and close immediately until February 2nd, 2021.
Wait, what?
What?
Just got the news.
2/2/21. It's closed immediately.
Can you forward that to me, Miss?
This is like off of a Facebook post. That's probably not the most reliable.
Oh,
What did
yeah.
you get, Christine?
Definitely that.
Email from Kim. So
You got it from the, oh,
yeah, that's
Where you
correct.
get it from, Miss Woodard?
From Kim Worthy.
Oh,
That's reliable.
that's more reliable than mine.
You got it from where? I haven't got this email.
right. They haven't probably given it to the chief yet. That's probably why we haven't gotten it. That's which court though? Is it 36 or 3rd Circuit?
36.
36.
And did you get that forward from a Facebook post, Mr. Murad? That's all I have.
I did, yes.
That's all I have, and I don't have anything else.
I'm gonna check the 36th District Court email right now.
I don't have it on my email. Who sent the?
And I think I should get it just as well. So I don't see nothing. Don't get me excited. What is this?
We got more.
That'll be how many days?
Yeah, this is definitely gonna need to get confirmed because things are blowing up now. So, okay, but anyway, so there's like some KPSs, Ms. Ritter, that,
Oh, you want me to tell you who the K pieces are? They are Reinhardt. Is it Reinhardt or Ruinhardt? Reinhardt, whatever. And then Lockhart, Robinson, and Smith.
I got Lockhart, Robertson, Smith, and who else?
And it's Reinhardt.
Reinhardt.
Hirsch.
Okay,
Whatever. Okay, you want to read those on the record?
sure. State of Michigan versus Derek Reinhardt, 200-449-6501. Jamil Lockhart, 12056-65701. Diamond Smith, 170-457-7002. Is that it?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Defendants in these matters have failed to appear. Court will issue a capias set bond at, what's she doing capias bonds at?
510%.
Nah, I'm just gonna do 1,000 personal.
Okay.
may I ask a question of somebody smarter than me?
You said
So that
5,000. I'm sorry.
1,010%, that's what I said.
Oh, 1,010%.
No, 1,000 personal, excuse me.
Oh, okay. I thought you heard say
Yeah.
person. Oh,
Yeah, personal.
got it.
I'm sorry, Ms. Stevenson.
So there's Marcus Rogers on the docket that also said motion hearing.
Said Rogers. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna leave that to
This
you all.
was this was a remand back from 3rd Circuit, I believe it was. So I believe only Judge Bryant can hear it. I guess we just need a new date.
Oh, and Rogers?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Marcus Rogers.
Oh, that's an old case.
Right.
It looks like it was dismissed in 2014.
Right, and so they brought it back. Let me see, motion for, it's a motion for destruction of fingerprints. They didn't show, so denied, right? No, I'm just kidding. It's up to you.
Set it for another date. Just set it out for the 25th.
For you said 25th?
March 25th, is that the date we were using?
Yes.
Yes, so March 25th, okay.
We'll call Miss Peterson, the attorney on that matter. Maybe she wants to do something with it, or if there's a new attorney on it.
All right. I'll mail a notice out.
Okay. I think that's it for that I can see. Does that
Yeah,
look like
that's-
it's it, Christina? Is there anything that I have overlooked?
No, that looks about it.
Okay, cool.
Ms. Ritter, have we worked together before?
No, Judge, I don't believe so.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
He used to have your job, kind of.
Judge, do you want me to email this to you, or you gonna come down and sign these?
I'll come down and sign them.
Okay, let me fill them out. Give me about 10 minutes, and then I'll have them ready for you.
Miss Stevenson used to beat up on me every day.
That never happened. That did never happen.